Hello, how are you? I think this is the first Hindi movie that I'm reviewing. Is it? I don't even remember. Anyways, so this is a O Romeo review, and here it goes. O Romeo is a confusing movie. My thoughts might not align with many. I felt the plot had potential, but the execution went terribly wrong. The dialogues were poor, and sometimes the slangs felt forced into the dialogues. Sometimes the plot made no sense. I feel like uh, the only aspect the movie brilliantly portrayed was gore. Yes, oh my god. So wonderfully, they have shown blood everywhere. You will be surprised by how nicely the movie shows gore and blood and slitting someone's throat and everything. Like, that is the only thing the movie got right. It's so funny to think about. How do you get that right and then everything else is just a mess? Yeah. So the action scenes, especially murders and bloodshed, were shown quite realistically. The shock value impact will be immense. Other than that, this is a recycled plot with an average execution at best. Honestly, the plot made little sense to me. The acting needs to be mentioned. Despite being the hero, Shahid Kapoor is oddly underwhelming. His expressions do not speak much about his emotions. Seriously, like, how did he manage to act like that? He is not convincing at all while portraying he is truly in love. Like, bro, you're in love. Where is that expression in your face? The only expression he could get right throughout the movie was being that of a goon. I think he was in goon mode, like in with so much dedication that he forgot the entire love arc that his character had. He carries a sense of arrogance which almost never leaves his face. You know, the arrogance of the goon having so much power and, having the skill to murder. The entire movie, he was like, I can do this. Like, his expression seemed like he only wanted to say, I can do this, I can do that, I can kill. It was so funny. It was so funny. Sorry. Okay. Tripti Dimri is a brilliant actress. Honestly, she was the most convincing in her part. She deserves better films. Avinash Tiwari performed well. His range of emotions were especially noticeable throughout the movie. Yes, Tripti Dimri and Avinash Tiwari. Oh my god. Both are fabulous actors. I think in every movie that I have seen them, they have done really well. They are very, adept in acting. Like, there's this expression, cut out for acting. They are like that. Okay. One thing I cannot ignore is the cinematography. Several scenes are quite beautiful. I just wish they had a better script writer and better execution. The vision was strong. The movie could have worked beautifully. But never mind, what's done is done, I suppose. I feel like I'm seeing Shahid Kapoor in similar roles recently. This tragic gangster arc. I would love to see all of these actors in something different. Shahid, Avinash, and Tripti, they all deserve better roles. Also, the music of the movie is really good. Yeah, the script writer. I think script writer and even director. I don't remember who the director is, but they, you know, the problem is not a recycled plot. The problem is the execution. It is very difficult to have an original idea in art because so many people have already thought about it. So it's it's about executing in your own way with a different approach, maybe even with a similar approach approach but executing it well. You want to give people something that makes sense at least. So it it was that problem. Even if they had made something that has been recycled 100 times before, and if they gave it a little bit logic, people would have loved it. But I guess what's done is done, and that is the review. I think this review is quite late, but I wrote the review down immediately after watching the film, which was like a month back. So, this is my fault that this is getting posted now. Never mind. I'm glad I finally recorded this video and I finally uploaded it. Bye bye, take care.
Hello. Hi. Yeah.